Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Ninja Creami Maker on the market, the Ninja North Carolina 301 Creami Ice Cream Maker. This sleek, silver machine is designed to transform your frozen bases into delicious ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and even smoothie bowls, all with the touch of a button. The Ninja NC301 is compact yet powerful, featuring 800 watts of power that operates on standard 120-volt outlets. Its innovative Creamify technology takes a solid frozen block and quickly turns it into a smooth, creamy treat in just minutes. Whether you're craving a rich gelato or a light sorbet, this machine lets you control the ingredients to fit any diet or preference, from keto and low sugar to dairy-free and vegan options. One of the standout features of this model is the variety of 7 one-touch programs. These include ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in. With these settings, the North Carolina 301 adjusts speed, pressure, and processing time perfectly to give you the ideal texture every time. And if you want your dessert a bit softer or creamier, there's a re-spin function that lets you customize even further. The process couldn't be simpler. Prepare your base, freeze it overnight in the included pint containers, then place the container in the machine and choose your program. The motor base features dual drive motors that power the creamerizer paddle, shaving through the frozen base with precision. This level of automation makes it perfect not just for adults but also for kids who want to get creative with their frozen treats. Speaking of creativity, the Ninja NC301 encourages personalization with mix-ins. You can add chocolate, nuts, fruits, candies, or any other favorite toppings to customize flavor and texture. Plus, the machine comes with two 16-ounce pint containers and lids, dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Measuring just over 12 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and 16 inches high, this machine fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up too much space. Weighing 13 pounds, it's sturdy yet manageable to move if needed. The Ninja NC301 is designed specifically to work with its compatible pint accessories, so make sure to check that if you're looking to expand your collection. It's also built with convenience in mind, featuring a digital display, automatic shut-off, programmable settings, and a built-in timer. In terms of style, the stainless steel and silver finish give it a modern look that blends well in any kitchen setting. The included recipe inspiration guide features 30 recipes to get you started on your frozen dessert journey. Overall, the Ninja North Carolina 301 Creami Ice Cream Maker combines power, versatility, and ease of use, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about homemade frozen treats. Whether you want to indulge in classic ice cream or experiment with healthier options, this machine makes it easy and fun. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ninja NC301, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.